Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to crochet a scarf today, and this scarf is for doll. So I am going to use number 4 1.25 millimeter crochet hook, and also a size 10 Aunt Lydia cotton thread. Okay, let's begin with the chain of 22. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. Now we are going to make one double crochet into the number 10th chain from hook. So let's count from here: 2 4 6 8 10. Into the 10th chain we are going to make one double crochet, and then make a chain 3. Can you see it? And we are going to skip the 3 chain, 1 2 3, and into the next chain make one double crochet, then make a chain 3 and skip the 3 chain again, 1 2 3, into the next chain make one double crochet, then chain 3, skip the 3 chain, 1 2 3, into the very last chain make one double crochet. Okay, now for the row 2 we are going to make a chain of 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then turn your work, and we are going to skip the first chain of the chain 3 space. This is the chain 3 space here. Skip the first chain, and into the next chain we are going to make one single crochet, then make a chain 2, and into this double crochet here we are going to make one double crochet, then chain 2, skip the first chain of the chain 3 space, and into the next chain make single crochet, then chain 2, and one double crochet on top of the next double, is it too far? And then make a chain 2, then single crochet in the center of the next chain 3 space, skip the first chain, and then single crochet into the next chain, chain 2, one double crochet on top of the next double, chain 2, skip the next chain and make single crochet into the next, then chain 2, then make one double crochet into the 4th chain, 1 2 3 4 over here. Okay, count from here, 1 2 3 4, make one double crochet there. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now for the row 3, make a chain of 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then turn your work, and we are going to skip this 2 chain 2 spaces here, and on top of this double make one double crochet, then make a chain 3 and skip these 2 chain 2 spaces again and make one double crochet on top of the next double, chain 3, then skip the 2 chain 2 spaces, one double crochet on top of the next double, then chain 3, and we're going to skip this chain 2 space here and into the third chain of this chain 5, turning chain 5, 1 2 3 into the third chain, make 1 double crochet. Okay, and for the row 4, make a chain 5, and we are going to make 1 single crochet in the center of the chain 3 space. So we are going to skip the next chain, and into the center we are going to make 1 single crochet, then chain 2 and 1 double crochet on top of the next double, chain 2, skip the next chain, single crochet into the next chain, chain 2, 1 double crochet on top of the next double, chain 2, skip the next chain and single crochet into the next, then chain 2, 1 double crochet on top of the next double, then chain 2 and skip the next chain and single crochet into the next chain like that, then chain 2 and skip the next chain again and make 1 double crochet into the next, just like that. Are you following me? Okay, then for the next row, 1 2 3 4, for the 5th row, make a chain of 6 and then turn your work and make 1 double crochet on top of the next double, then chain 3 and make 1 double crochet on top of the next double again, then chain 3 and 1 double crochet on top of the next double, chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the third chain of the turning chain 5, 1 2 3, make 1 double crochet, just like that. Okay guys, now I want you to go ahead and repeat row 4 and 5 until you have 14 inches long. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, go ahead. For the remaining rows, repeat row 4 and 5 alternately until you have 14 inches long, and then I will meet you for the next one. Okay guys, I finished my 14 inches long, and this is how this scarf looks like when you fold it that way. This is how the stitches looks like, and also this is almost 2 inches wide, so it's perfect for any size of doll, from 11 inches tall doll until American rag doll. Only you have to do is, if you want a longer scarf, just go ahead and repeat row 4 and 5 alternately until your desired length. And yeah, that's all guys. It's very easy, very simple, and very nice stitch as well. And I will be making a matching hat for this, either the short hat or just the slouch hat. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you like it, and please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos, and I will be making more for you guys. See you again for my next tutorial.